Hey everyone, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we're doing a goat cheese stuffed pomegranate chicken using the pomegranate balsamic. For this one, guys, you're only going to need 2 products from our store. You will need some extra virgin olive oil. Tonight we are using the koroniki. You will also need the pomegranate dark balsamic. That's the star of the show. We have used this one before. We made a chickpea curry with it, and you can check that out in our videos. But we're going to get to our chicken now. Our chicken this evening is from Old 99 Farm out in Dundas. It is a free-range chicken, organic fed. It's beautiful. It's actually a big one, so we're going to be splitting this. We also have our Feta cheese from Bottega, our little business neighbor in the plaza where we are. So the first thing you want to do, what we did is we sliced into our chicken breast. So as you can see, we formed a bit of a pocket there. So what you want to do is you want to stuff it with your Feta. So we've stuffed our chicken breast. We've made sure to try and close up the edge with our toothpicks. Maybe I overdid it with toothpicks, but I don't want that cheese getting out. So next thing you want to do is you want to take some salt and just sprinkle the top of your chicken. And then we go to the cast iron. So we're just going to put our olive oil in the cast iron pan, let that heat up. Our pan is nice and hot. We've had it on medium high, so we're just going to get our chicken on there. Try to get it so the cheese does not fall out. Basically at this point we want to make it so that all sides of the chicken are browned, and then we're going to be baking it in the oven at 350 degrees. So as you can see, we've got a real nice browning to this chicken breast. So what you want to do is put that in a cooking dish, a baking dish. So in the same pan we've turned our heat down to medium. So first we are adding our shallots to this. Them all nice and browned. So these onions are pretty much ready to go. I can't really say measurements because we're only doing 1 chicken breast. The original recipe calls for 4. But next you will need the pomegranate balsamic. So this is going to create our nice reduction. Next, you will need 2 tablespoons of pomegranate juice. You will also need 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I know I just said a measurement, but it's a force of habit. And then you will also need some chicken stock. Make sure you get a pinch of salt in this. So basically you want to keep an eye on this. You want to get it to a boil so that it reduces. Once this becomes the reduction, we are adding this to the baking dish with the chicken. It's just going to add so much awesome. The smell right now is amazing, so it's going to add some awesome smell and flavor to our chicken. Alright, so you can see this is getting to a nice thickness. We don't want it to go down too much, but this is the perfect time to pour this over our chicken, which we have sitting in the dish there. Nice color sitting right in there. Take that away so you can actually see it. There we go, that looks beautiful. So we're going to pop this in the oven at 350 degrees. Depending on the size of your chicken breast, you want to keep an eye on it so you get it to the perfect cook. Just pop it right in there. And we will see you guys in a bit. Oh, it looks pretty. It smells pretty good. Let's try it now. Some of that goat cheese on there. Look at that sauce. Oh man. That sauce would also be excellent on something like pork chops, even steak. This is another winner, guys. You're gonna love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. For this recipe, you will only need two products. For this recipe, you will own... I can't... For some reason, the word only, I stumble. Unique New York. Unique New York. I can't. Extra virgin olive oil from Chile. Once this has reduced, we're going to add this to our baking dish with the chicken, and then we're throwing that in the oven. You're also going to need the Pomegranate Dark Balsamic. This one we've used before. We did a pomegranate chickpea curry.